Super Farm. Always with a good, consistent run. Jason Penny out of Connie's Grove, Wisconsin tonight. Super Farm is 9,300 pounds. They weigh 9,300 pounds. So, man, you got to run the original engine that came in this tractor.
Now, Bill's been running pretty well. He's about mid-pack in the Outlaw class. He runs the big collaborator out there on the side on his Moline. Really stepped things up in the performance department for him.
Run from Mike tonight. Mike Stepp will be our leader, of course. After that shot, Sean Boyd on deck. He switched off tonight with Nick Score. Those teams are really put together. Super Farm is the biggest class in Wisconsin. Here we go. RPM on the way. Smoke getting ready to roll. Watch the Screaming Norwegian. Here we go. There at the end, not bad at all. Good run. Strong run here, folks. For Sean Boyd tonight out of Connie's Grove, Wisconsin.
A very nice looking 12-0.
Flag up and down, there you go. That'll also run for Jerry Barras here tonight on that tractor. Dime a dozen, the 1206 International. Very nice looking machine here tonight. Curious. He's had that name right after the movies came out. He already, I think, had it before that. But here we go. Now that's the John Deere, people. That was a good run. You've seen a lot of red already. Now you saw the John Deere there. Not bad.
All right, Clinic and Myers Carpet Weavers.
All right, here we go now with Jerry Barras again. Pocket change finishes his run here tonight. Jerry Barras coming to us down the state of Illinois, Marion, Illinois here tonight. And pocket change. Time to go here. No. And right there for Mr. Roberts tonight, Jeremy Roberts from the Wicked Whitetail. Sullivan, Indiana, located over on Highway 41 in Indiana.
Oh, Burger with authority. Folks, I'll tell you, down to Francisco, Indiana, not only does he maintain his tractor, but he works on chassis, he builds motors, he does all the stuff he does. I don't
Dan Viney, ladies and gentlemen. All cranked up. Comes through here just right now from Cottingeville, Wisconsin. These two trackers, also there's one called All Cranked Up. Gentlemen, out of Rio, Wisconsin. International Harvester tractor on the line right here. Mac Darnell on deck. Brett Weber on double deck. Well, that 3688 took a little ride, folks, right there for Chuck tonight.
You know a brother's got issues when they're there underneath all four tires.
That's exactly right. There's some big problems somewhere. I don't know where it exactly was. And then we also have another Mac Darnell tractor coming through, the maximum overdrive, and then we go back up to Jason Vinny and all cranked up. He was bouncing so bad too, and he quickly got out of it.
Yeah, you get a little bit of that clutch and tire pressure mix match there, and then you get to hopping like that.
Let's see what happens now with Brett Weber out of Fort Branch, Indiana tonight. General regular here on the Lucas Oil Pulling League Tour. Good-looking 1206. Another good-looking 1206 here tonight. Never say never, the name of the tractor. Coming up next, running at www.rockauto.com. You can find all the parts your car or truck will ever need. This time around for the SCHWENK machine out of Jasper, Indiana tonight. Running buck wild.
Nice pass there for him and Sue.
Either the clutch is slipping or he's got some other major problems with the, we talked about it a while ago, trying to figure out exactly what it is. I've never seen this tractor bounce like that before.
Yeah, that's
Here we go with Jason Vinny now. We got the problem solved on the sled. Here we go. Complete the class, folks. That's where we'll do it. Finish it right up there. And we'll find out who your winner is. And we'll give you your top 5 here in just a second.